Hello, I'm John with Taylor Decks. Today we're going to clean the deck using a pressure washer, pump sprayer, and talk about cleaners also. When cleaning a deck, the one thing that we want to realize is, has there been anything applied to the deck, or has it just been natural? And if it has been something applied to the deck, it's always nice to find out what's been applied to it so we can find their stripper to clean it with, if possible. If not, there are some good strippers you can use out there. And you want to make sure to find out if it's an oil base or if it's a water base to find that stripper that will match it. If the deck's never been stained, we just use a deck brightener. The first thing we want to talk about is different ways of cleaning and preparing your cleaner. There is one way you can do it, is run it through your pressure washer, through your dispenser. On an older deck, what I prefer is actually using a backpack. Then you want to stir it up good. Like I said, a lot of times I'll stir it for about, I don't know, maybe a minute. This is our pump sprayer we're going to apply the chemical to. And like I said, there's my little filter to catch any little thing that may have been in the bucket that I didn't clean out or fell in there while we're mixing it. You want to think about safety first, and the one thing you want to think about is hopefully wearing long pants, because you can put some big whelps on your legs if you happen to run across it with your pressure washer wand. Doesn't feel good, but so I do recommend wearing long pants, maybe wearing shoes too. You don't want to put any more pressure on that deck than you have to, and you shouldn't have to. The cleaner should do the work. The pressure washer is just taking it off. And a lot of times when you do a deck, if there's a certain area that's not coming clean, don't sit there and bear down on it. Just go ahead and clean it once and come back to it, put another coat of cleaner on it, and clean it again. The one thing I found out when I'm doing a deck, I don't want to start and stop. I want to start in one location of the deck board. I want to go all the way down the deck. Then I want to come back. But a lot of times what we'll do is I'll put the cleaner on if I'm doing the outside, I'll do the face of the picket and one edge of the picket. And I'll make sure I know what side I'm doing. And I'll put the cleaner on, then I'll come back and pressure wash it off. When I do the inside of the railing, I'll do the front side facing me now and the other side. So I'll do two sides at once. If the deck is starting to dry out, I'll turn around and start misting the deck. I'll just keep some misty water on it. Just keep it a little bit damp. Don't let it dry on there until I get over there. Then once I get there, I'll put more cleaner on another section of the deck. Then one thing you gotta be real careful about, and you want to read it on your cleaner, is some cleaners will tell you not to get it on the glass, not to get it on aluminum. It can tarnish, it can do different things. You're going to get it on there. You just make sure when you get it on there, go ahead and wash it off with the water.